If you have a 5th generation Subaru Impreza starting in 17 or a 2nd generation Crosstrek that starts in 2018 and it has this interior layout, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. It's right behind the glove box. Very easy, no tools needed. Open the glove box. On this right side only, there's going to be this little shock that kind of gives it a soft open. Undo this just by simply pulling it out like that. And one more step to take the glove box out. You press in here and in like this. This will release the tabs that are on both sides of the glove box. And after that, it'll just fall down. Yeah, very easy. Here it is already. This is your blower motor, and this is the door to get to the cabin filter. You'll see these little weird tabs. If you press in like this, this will release them. And you just, it hinges up top, so just lift it out like this and falls down. You'll see these tabs when you go to put it in. And that's the filter access. It's very easy. It looks like I need to change mine. Well, it's not horrendous, but I changed it about a year ago and I am due again. Depending on your driving conditions, whatnot, if you're on dirt roads a lot, I would probably even check this twice a year. Otherwise, you can probably wait 1 to 2 years between changes. Very easy to get to. Reminder too, this is all wide open and it goes into the blower motor. Let's say you pull your cabin filter out and there's a bunch of leaves, whatnot on top of your filter and all that stuff. If you pull it out, it can fall down into this blower motor and you don't want that. If you happen to leave stuff in there accidentally, even the smallest leaf or whatever, and you turn on your blower motor full speed, it's going to be out of balance. It's going to make a bad noise, and that sucks. So when you pull your cabin filter out, check in here for anything that might be in there. Try to pull it out. A vacuum is handy if you need to get in there and vacuum it out, but whatever you do, try to get everything out of there. A good test you can do is start your car before you put the cabin filter in, and then run your climate control with full fan. It doesn't matter the mode, just full fan, and listen for noise. And if it's good to go, then shut it off and put your filter in. Finally, if you do get a new filter, it'll show you what direction the airflow is. So this should be, well, when you put it in, it's going to be down like that. Apparently it's been a year and a couple of months since I changed that. It's very quick and easy. It's about a 2-minute job. Look in the description. You'll see a couple of part numbers for cabin air filters you can use, like an OEM one or one from the auto parts store. They're really easy to find. You can find them in probably any auto parts store or a Walmart, something like that. Yeah, it's a real slam dunk job. So there you go. Reassembly. Hook these tabs up top first. It's going to be right behind this lip. There's going to be a second one back here you want to hook it into, nearest the filter, not this part. And then it just snaps. Done. Glove box goes on really easily. Tip it down like this. Hook those in. Put it up until it snaps. And hook your little shock absorber back up. Time.